In a lush, verdant forest, there lived a parasol named Petunia. Petunia was not just any ordinary parasol, but one that opened up into a magnificent shade, sheltering all who sought her protection from the scorching sun. One day, while Petunia was providing relief to a group of forest dwellers, a leech named Lee approached. Lee was not a malicious being, but he had a habit that often left others feeling drained. Lee, drawn by the cool, wet surface of Petunia, latched onto her, seeking sustenance. Petunia, though, felt a strange sensation and soon realized that Lee had attached himself to her. "Oh dear!" Petunia exclaimed, "I didn't mean to harm you, Lee. But I cannot let you drain me dry. I am here to provide shade, not to be your vessel." Lee, seeing the concern in Petunia's voice, felt remorse. He realized that while he was seeking his own needs, he had overlooked the purpose for which he was created. "I'm sorry, Petunia," Lee said, detaching himself. "I didn't mean to cause you any trouble. I will find another way." From that day forward, Lee vowed to change his ways. He realized that while he could feed by latching onto others, it was not the right path. Instead, he chose to help those in need, using his unique abilities to heal and support the forest dwellers. Petunia, seeing Lee's transformation, was filled with admiration. She understood that everyone has a role to play, and that it's important to use our gifts not for personal gain, but for the betterment of others. And so, the story of the parasol and the leech serves as a reminder to us all that we should use our gifts and talents not for ourselves, but for the benefit of others, and that sometimes, the most important lesson comes from those we least expect. Moral *: use your talents and gifts for the benefit of others, and sometimes, growth comes from the most unexpected encounters.